What's the meaning of chromium steel? Chromium steel. Chromium steel.
Chromium steel. Chromium steel. Chromium steel, also known as stainless steel, is a type of alloy that contains at least 10.5% chromium by mass. The addition of chromium enhances the steel's corrosion resistance and provides it with a shiny luster. Chromium steel can be divided into several subtypes based on their specific properties and applications. These include austenitic, ferritic, and martensitic stainless steels, among others. Overall, chromium steel is widely used in construction, automotive, and household applications due to its durability, strength, and resistance to rust and corrosion.